Hello. Now let us today the discussion about the coordinate system. Okay, it is the fundamental of the coordinate geometry. The how the coordinates of point changes and the distance between the 2 points formula, area of the triangle and centroid of the triangle, etc. etc. Let us discuss in this chapter, in the coordinate system chapter. The coordinate system are the two varieties. One is the two-dimensional coordinate system and other is the three-dimensional coordinate system. Now here we are discussing about the two-dimensional coordinate system. Okay, now let us solve the one question. It is related with the section formula. Okay, I will write the question. A 2 minus 2 and B minus 3 11 by 2, C minus 4 7 are collinear points. Then find the ratio at which B divides CA, C divides AB. Okay, here I have written the two questions. At what ratio B divides CA and at what ratio C divides AB? Let us solve it. Now this question belongs to the section formula question. In general, in the section formula, suppose section formula, A and B are the two given points. A and B are the two given points. Coordinates also are given. For example, minus 3 1 and B 7 2. For example, the coordinates of A and B are like that. In general, the question is asked that find the point which lies on the line segment AB, let it be C, which divides AB in some ratio. Ratio also is given, some 3:5 or 1:2 or any ratio is given. The question is asked that find the point C which divides AB in some given ratio. Then we can find the point, required point. Now here the point C, there are the three places for the C. One is inside between A and B, interior region on of A and B, anywhere here, and exterior place of A and B. The exterior places of the two places are there. The right side of the line segment beyond the P, it is the exterior place. Now the left side of the line segment, it is also exterior place or external place. Now if C lies anywhere, either internal or external, anywhere in this side or in the side, then C definitely divides the AB in somewhat ratio. What is the meaning of the ratio? Suppose C lies on AB anywhere, the ratio means the ratio at which C divides AB is equal to the ratio at which AC length divided by CB lengths, both are lengths. The length of AC divided by length of CB. That is the ratio concept. If the ratio value is negative, then we can understand that geometrically the point C lies outside of the line segment AB. If the ratio value is positive, then we can understand that geometrically the point C lies in between A and B, internal point of AB. Okay, this is the ratio concept. Now here in this question, conversely the question is given that the point C coordinates also are given. Some coordinates are also given. Ratio is unknown. So that is why ratio we have to find. The ratio clearly, we have to find here the ratio. The ratio clearly AC by CB. Now AC by CB is same as the difference of the x coordinates of A and C divided by difference of the x coordinates of C and B. So I mean the ratio is AX minus CX by CX minus BX. The same ratio, this also equal to AC length by CB length. It is also length. Or otherwise the difference of the y coordinates AY minus CY divided by CY minus BY. That gives the ratio at which C divides AB. So by using this formula, let us find the required ratio. Now first one, the ratio at which B divides CA is equal to, what is the line segment? First point C, second point A. Which point divides CA? B, the point B. That is called the dividing point. So the ratio equal to x coordinate of C minus x coordinate of B by again x coordinate of B minus x coordinate of A, or CY minus BY divided by BY minus AY. Any one formula is enough, not both. Don't write the both, any one is enough. Let us select any one. Now here I will select this one, first one. The CX, BX, AX represent their x coordinates. At the place of CX, we have to write the x coordinate of C. At the place of BX, we have to write the x coordinate of B. So I will write this one here. Cx coordinate minus 4 minus Bx coordinate minus 3 divided by Bx coordinate minus 3 again Ax coordinate 2. Now how much here we are getting here? The minus 4 plus 3 divided by minus 5 minus 1 by minus 5 is 1 by 5, that is 1:5. So the point B divides CA in the ratio 1:5. Now clearly we can say that the B is the internal point of CA. B lies between C and A. Okay, one question is over. Let us go to the next question. The next one, the ratio at which C divides AB. Okay, what is the first point here? A. Second point B. Dividing point C. So the ratio we can write as AX minus CX divided by CX minus BX. X coordinate of A 2 minus x coordinate of C minus 4 divided by minus 4 minus Bx coordinate minus 3. 2 plus 4 divided by minus 4 plus 3. So 6 by minus 1 minus 1 is to 6. No. Minus 6 is to 1. 6 is to minus 1. Now that minus sign we can put anywhere, either here or here we can put the minus sign. There is no problem. So minus 6 is to 1. So clearly we can understand that the point C is the external point of the line segment to AB. Okay. Okay, next question. Let us write. I will write the next question. P minus 3 comma minus 1, not minus 1, minus 2. Q 1 comma 10 by 3, R 6 comma 10, are 3 collinear points. Then find the harmonic conjugate of P WRT with respect to the line segment QR. QR bar means line segment with respect to the line segment QR. Okay, let us find what is. First you should know what is the harmonic conjugate of a point. Okay, I will write the definition of the harmonic conjugate here. First you listen the explanation. Now there is the line segment QR. Okay, QR, a line segment QR. Suppose P is a point on that line segment anywhere, either internally or externally. Okay, I am not explaining this problem. I am explaining about the harmonic conjugate of a point. Okay, there are the 2 points, joining them QR is a line segment. Other point P, if it lies on the same line, either in between QR or outside of the QR. Okay, suppose P lies inside between Q and R, and new point H also let us introduce here. H is a point. Let P comma H be 2 points. Okay, P and H be 2 points on the same line, such that they divide the line segment QR in the same ratio. Same ratio, how much ratio? Let it be m is to n. Think that m is to n. Same ratio, m is to n, means P divides a QR in the ratio m is to n. H also divides in the same ratio. How is it possible? Okay, possible. If one point is internal point and other is external point. Okay, one point out of P and H, one is internal point, other is external point, then only it is possible that they divide the QR in the same ratio. Okay, ratio is called, then P comma H are called harmonic conjugates to each other with respect to the line segment QR. If they divide the line segment in the same ratio are called the harmonic conjugates to each other with respect to the line segment. Remember that out of P and H, if one point is internal point, other point is external point. One is internal, other is external, but ratio is same ratio. Suppose P is internal point, H must be external point. Suppose H is the internal point, its harmonic conjugate must be external point. Okay? Harmonic conjugate external point. If one point is the external point, the harmonic conjugate is the internal point. But ratio is same ratio. So that is the definition. I will write the definition here. Definition of harmonic conjugate. Let AB be a line segment, and P comma Q be 2 points on the line AB. AB double arrow represent not the segment, just AB bar represent segment from A to B, just line segment represented by AB bar. Double arrow means a straight line, okay, passing through A and B, endless. The line is passing through A and B. Okay, on that line, P and Q are 2 points. P and Q be 2 points on the line AB. Okay. If P comma Q divide AB in the same ratio, I am not mentioning the ratio value, not M is to N. In the same ratio, you have to think that either 2 is to 3 or 3 is to 4, any number. So dividing in the same ratio, so that one of them is internal point of AB and other is external point of AB. Are called harmonic conjugates to each other with respect to the line segment AB. With respect to the line segment AB, one is internal point and the other is external point. One of them, any one may be internal point. Okay, have you understood the harmonic conjugate? Okay. Let us continue the question. We want the harmonic conjugate of P. Okay, let us assume that the harmonic conjugate of P is H. Okay, I am erasing this one. Assume that H be the harmonic conjugate of P with respect to the line QR. Okay, to write the H coordinates, first we should know the ratio at which P divides QR. At what ratio P divides QR? We have to know first. So first I will find the ratio at which P divides QR. So the ratio at which P divides QR. What is the formula? Now QR line segment, P is the dividing point, P is the dividing point. So QX minus PX divided by PX minus RX. What is QX? X coordinate. P minus 3 divided by Px, again minus 3 minus Rx 6. This is equal to 1 plus 3 by minus 9, 4 by 9 minus, or minus 4 is to 9. Now can you say the P, where does lie P? Internal point or external point? External point. P is the external point. What about the harmonic conjugate? Internal point. Harmonic conjugate is the internal point. But ratio? Same ratio. Because harmonic conjugate is internal point, ratio is same. Therefore, the ratio value is 4:9. The harmonic conjugate divides AB in the ratio 4:9, not minus 4:9, just 4:9. So H divides, since H is harmonic conjugate of P, therefore H divides QR in 4:9 ratio. Okay. Now let us write the H coordinates. We can write H coordinates. Very simple. I will say the one technique, a mechanical procedure. No need to by hearting the formula. Now A, Q and R, put here Q and R. Put H anywhere in between Q and R. What is the ratio? 4. That is QH length 4 units. Okay. Next 9. HR length is 9 units. That is the meaning of the ratio. Now write the H coordinates. You take the product like this. I will suggest to you this 4 into R, 4R. Because it is internal point, put the plus sign. When it is internal point, put the minus sign. If it is the external point, suppose in case if H is the external point, put the minus sign here. Okay. But here H is the internal point, therefore we have to put the plus sign. Next, 9 into Q plus 9Q divided by 4 plus 9. Now these are not the coordinates of H. We have to write the coordinates of H. How? Just we are by substituting all the x coordinates of R and Q, all the x coordinates of R and Q, by substituting them, we obtain the x coordinate of H. And comma, by putting the comma, again put all the y coordinates of Q and R, we will obtain the y coordinate of H. So I will put here 4 into R. R means x coordinate of R, 6. Plus 9 into Q, x coordinate 1 by 13. 4 plus 9, 13. Next, comma, and put all the y coordinates. 4 into R y coordinate. Where is R? Here. 10 plus 9 into Q. y coordinate of q 10 by 3 divided by 13. 24 plus 9 divided by 13, 40 plus 90 by 3 by 13 is equal to 33 by 13. 120 plus 90, 210, okay, 90 plus 120, 210 by 13 into 3, 9 into q, what is q? Q 10 by 3, okay, by 13 into 3, 33 by 13, comma, this is 70, 70 by 13. Okay, this is 90 by 3, 30 plus 40, 70, okay, 70 by 13. Okay, this is the harmonic conjugate. Okay, in this way we can find the harmonic conjugate of a point with respect to a given line segment. Okay, tomorrow let us meet with the new problem, a different model question let us discuss about.